everybody to our experience management workshop. And I was 2 years VP Customer Experience and Customer Service at Lazada, Vietnam. We are happy to talk to you. Remember, we are Asia PMO. We can support you, experience consulting, and all the other topics. Thank you very much for coming, and thank you so much to Hard Organizing. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jamle, and I own a company that imports Austrian and German bread into Vietnam. Today, the workshop gives me a lot of new idea about how we implement our customer service. Yeah.
I find it very interesting. I got to know interesting people, and I learned the different steps on what to look at into experience management. So that was quite new to me because I never cared so much about experience management before.